Hi Aries, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Five of Pentacles. I think in these final days, your routine may have been disrupted a bit. Possibly, you had a lot to deal with. Some of you may have also been feeling as though there was a lack financially. As you see this person here, he seems to be all by himself. I think spiritual healing or meditation could have benefited you a great deal. Obstacles to overcome or challenges that September is going to present for you is the Judgment card. Certainly what you sow is what you reap. So definitely you need to be mindful of that. I think there'll be some challenging days ahead, but then these challenges are going to test your character this month. Ideally, I think Aries, you will benefit if you would lie low and let the storm clouds pass. Official paperwork could also keep you busy this month. Influences for this month, Aries, we have the Seven of Swords. You will be better served if you will be quite tactful and polite, but it's likely that you will lose your cool. Disagreements could also be on account of financial issues or maybe a lack of opportunities. Sometimes, you may feel as though your good intentions are never acknowledged. Rather, you get the wrong end of the stick. I think bias could also be something which you need to be mindful of. Maybe there's going to be bias within the home front or in the work environment. This month, I think you'll be better served if you would use your intelligence to tackle the problems that may arise. This is a swords energy here, so that is why your intellect could be serving you well this month. You will complete a lot of work or a lot of tasks that are there at hand. Maybe there'll also be offers lined up for a side hustle. The first 10 days of September, we have the Nine of Cups. In this time, I think Aries, you're being called upon to grab the opportunities that the month is going to present. Certainly, there are surprises lined up. In fact, you're somebody who's going to come away making gains. Even for your past work or the effort that you have put in the past, rewards are going to come in. However, you should be careful because there could be technical issues. I think many of you will also be dealing with a lot of paperwork. Maybe you're going to settle your files. I think this is a time when you will make good beginnings, but you should capitalize on the decent start before you accomplish your ends. Largely in these days, you will be quite dedicated and focused, but then there'll also be pressing matters which you will need to attend to. Like I said, your quick thinking will also help you, so you should use your intelligence to good effect. In these days, you should also be careful because there could be some people who could try to mislead you. But you should stay firm. I think while dealing with clients also, you need to be patient. Maybe you should have a very professional approach. Maybe your loved ones think that you're quite naive. Perhaps these clients, they want your services for free. Next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th September, we have the Seven of Wands. Ideally, Aries, you should not jump to conclusions. Maybe you may feel as though your apprehensions could come true. It would also be prudent if you don't get caught up in other people's problems. Incidentally, this is also the time when your dues could come in. There could also be changes in your schedule or there could be disruptions which you need to maneuver. Like I said, there could be certain clients this month who want to extract more than their pound of flesh. That is why you need to put them in their place. Maybe your junior could also do the needful for you. On some days, you could also be hassled because you wonder whether the staff will turn up. That is why I think you are somebody who is going to proceed with the task. Many a times, Aries, you could get up early or you could work late into the night to complete the tasks that are there. Aries, you will also benefit if you seek divine intervention, if you call upon your angels. Maybe you should show kindness towards creatures great and small. Towards the final days of September, we have the Four of Cups. Emotional discontentment is quite likely in this time. I think you should watch your tongue because there's a possibility there could be arguments or you may cry at the drop of the hat. Ideally, I think Aries, you should listen to what others have to say rather than become emotional. Sometimes, you may feel as though people are two-faced or that they are self-centered. Nonetheless, I think family elders will rally around you. They will help you out even though they have reservations. Though there will be those times when you will be in a spot of bother, but then you will come out of those situations. So you should see that as a positive step. Some of you could also come across old acquaintances in this time. Some Aries, you may also be on the lookout for outstation work offers. Maybe you get opportunities, but then they don't excite you. Even while working, Aries, you may be a bit tentative. You don't know how to proceed, but then you are somebody who is going to complete a lot of tasks. Basically, I think Aries, you will push yourself. You will also benefit on account of help from your trusted aides. Banking work or financial transactions will also take up your time. In these days also, I think you want to finalize those deals very quickly, but then you should take everything with a pinch of salt. With respect to your love life, we have this card, fear. I think fear-based energies is something which is going to paralyze you this month. Maybe you're going to be apprehensive. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could fear rejection. That is why you could be afraid to face a situation. Or in case you're in a romantic connection, I think there could be insecurities that you're dealing with. Maybe the person whom you are involved with could be insecure with respect to this connection. Nevertheless, I think Aries, true love is on the cards. It's up to you whether you accept this proposal or not. Some things could also be hidden in your connection. Maybe you should read between the lines. You should understand the deeper meaning of what your person is trying to convey this month. It would help, Aries, if you were more romantic rather than be analytical. You know, Aries, you could be wearing spectacles, like the spectacles which is lying here. So you may be wearing these glasses, but then you may not be able to understand what's going on. So maybe you should decode this person's thoughts on the social media or try to understand their body language. Non-verbal communication could also be the case here. That's why I said that you should understand their body language. Largely, I think Aries, you should uncover what is hidden and concealed from you. You know, work colleagues could also make a pass at you, but you may not realize the same because everything is hidden from your eyes or from your view. Some of you could also be a bit disturbed because your acquaintance or friend could renew his offer of love to you, but then you are not romantically disposed towards this person. In fact, you may also feel that this person is not honest with his current partner and is too timing that person. This is something which does not go down well with you. Those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship, or in case you're crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Sometimes, you may feel as though there's a telepathic connection between the two of you. You may even contemplate reaching out to this person. In fact, you may also consider sending a short message across. But then you may also fear the repercussions of such a step. Maybe you fear rejection. That is why this card, fear, has come up in your reading. On the other hand, married Aries, I think you will be concerned about your partner's decisions with respect to work. Maybe you think that he should have been more accommodating rather than let go of those opportunities. Nevertheless, Aries, you have to be patient with your person. Maybe you feel that if you want him to oblige you, then you have to put up with his whims. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think Aries, you should not put up with abuse of any kind. Some of you may also be a bit concerned because your in-laws may despise you. Perhaps you should be a bit tolerant towards them. For some of you, it could also be that unfaithfulness could be an issue which could be discussed. In case yours is a secret romance, or in case you are in an extramarital relationship, I think you could be emotional as you fear that conversations with your lover could dry up as his current partner is set to return home. Perhaps this person was away. This could leave you a bit distraught as well, like this lady here in the Four of Cups. From Lenormand, we have the card House. Matters concerning your home, assets, or property and inheritance could be discussed. Maybe you want a secure and stable home. Some of you could also be working from home, or you could be involved in a family-owned business. Largely, Aries, you need to ensure you have a strong foundation, which could help you attain your goals this month. From the Angel Therapy cards, we have this card here, Shield Yourself. Archangel Michael is asking you to safeguard yourself from the harsh energies of others. There are energy vampires around us and they suck our energy. That is why we could feel lethargic, or we could be feeling down and out, or you may lack focus as well this month. Ideally, I think Aries, you should protect yourself in the face of any emotional downpour that could happen this month. In fact, you are being asked to borrow Archangel Michael's shield right here as a protective buffer. Maybe you could call upon your angels as they will step in when you ask them to. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.